Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluestacks app player not opening. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you don't have Bluestacks multi-instance manager on your desktop, you want to go ahead and search and write down Bluestacks, and this should appear, a multi-instance manager. Once when you have been downloading Bluestacks, it should download together. So you want to go ahead and open this up. After that, you will see your Bluestacks app player. You want to click on the gear icon, instance settings. From here, you will see your CPU and memory allocation and on performance, and you want to click on graphics. On graphics, you will see graphics engine mode, and what you want to go ahead and use is performance. So this should fix your problem. Now you want to save the changes, and after that you may want to restart your PC or laptop. This should restart it, and it should be left on performance mode. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.